Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make famous Hyderabadi Chicken Masala. This is a simple recipe where chicken is marinated then cooked under low flame. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we need to make this recipe. To make this recipe, we need fried onions. Into a pan, add 5 tablespoons of oil. I'm adding 2 onions finely sliced. Stir till the onions turn brown. This will take around 3 to 4 minutes. It's done. Remove it from the pan. Here I've got 750 grams of chicken thighs and legs. You can also use whole chicken. To this I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of curd, thick curd, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of salt. Add the fried onions, crush and add it. Mix everything together. Let the spices coat well on the chicken. Cover and set it aside. Let it marinate for an hour. Chicken is well marinated and it's ready to be fried. I'm going to use the oil in which I fried the onions. This infused oil will give a nice aroma to your chicken. Do not add water. Chicken will cook in this oil and the water from the chicken is sufficient to cook this. Close the lid and cook for 20 minutes on low flame. Stir in between as the masala have the tendency of getting stuck to the pan. Chicken is done. If you want your chicken to be saucy, in this stage turn off the flame. I want my chicken to be little more dry, so I leave it for 5 more minutes. Now the chicken is getting dry. This is the way I wanted my chicken. Now I turn off the flame. Hyderabadi chicken masala is done. Serve it hot. I hope you like this chicken preparation. Share your thoughts about this recipe in the comment section below. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more videos, click on the left to check out my previous video. On the right, my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.